welcome back to the channel. So today we go in Kaizen because they have their sushi buffet. Me and Keanu and my friend Shamel and her husband, we just waited on them because we did not realize today is the premiere of Spider-Man in Movie Town. So here we are. So it was real madness to get inside and to get a park. What she wants? Anyway, so when we reach inside, I'm gonna come back to you because we're waiting on Shamel and them because they were looking for a park. Look them day. Oh my god, we match! Hi! What look we matching? Hi!
No, don't you city button on it. Let's see, let's start the one room. Yeah, let's start the one room. Have you had a come back? Come back with you, yeah? One or two portions?
Yeah.
Bread soup, the other side?
No, it's 2 portions. Everybody has separate portions.
Oh! Sorry, I might be a teacher, but I'm...
Alright, so let's go and try. What's the name of this?
Wakame salad, aka seaweed salad.
No.
I'm gonna try bush.
Seaweed salad.
They would look like a seaweed salad, Shamel said.
It tastes so good.
And Keanu said it tastes really good.
It's good.
Gabby, you don't...
I don't know how to eat with these things, but the other day I ate with it and I was fine.
That's way too much.
Hey, Gabby. Move it. Move it.
Wait, don't honey, please. Yellow bar.
Poor thing.
Thank you, y'all. Why not doing the same thing like, oh, we get you.
That's all out there.
Serious?
Just take a little bit.
Take a little bit.
Anyway, go ahead.
It's not like you want to taste
I
it.
think-
I think she would enjoy it. Exactly.
Yeah, it is regular. Yeah, but I was... It's okay.
It's like noodles.
Yeah, except it's like
Seaweed.
seaweed and like, was it bread? Pickled, kind of, I don't know.
Yeah.
That's carrot.
Maybe.
So you understand why I say about the texture, right?
It tastes like, the only reason I like it, but the only reason I like it, I eat the glassy rice noodles.
Right, yes.
I
Yeah.
really like those, so I think
Yeah.
that's why I like that.
And I don't like that.
Yeah, you like
Rice
That
noodles.
gives mouthfeel. I like the texture.
Rice.
Okay, they use shrimp tempura.
Tempura just means fried.
Fried shrimp.
Yeah.
Okay.
But
Gonna
it's
try
like
this.
I mean, this
certain,
could have been calamari, tempura.
True.
there's a certain style of fries. Right? And also calamari is squid.
Mm-hmm.
But is the terminology calamari means the way that they prepare it.
so with edamame. The pot have all the seasoning in it. And then some of the seed.
Alright, what we do now? Calamari. Calamari, y'all.
Yeah.
What's the name sauce of them?
Alright, well,
Honey barbecue. Okay. Oh, yeah, honey barbecue.
alright, that's our right.
I did. Of course I did.
I wonder why they went to raw.
I know, right? Yeah, that's probably not the best option. It really is. So, I told you, shrimp tempura roll. Let's see. No, me dice calamari. Wait, that's not calamari, like squid.
Like salad.
It's squid.
It's cooked.
Calamari is cooked.
They don't uncook squid. Because of the texture.
Lord, I'll find bunks my head here. Spicy squid, something.
Also, there's not cooked. It's not cooked.
This is not calamari.
This is squid.
This is not cooked. It is not cooked.
How it tastes? Tell me
This
how
is
it
good
tastes.
though.
Calamari is cooked. Squid is not cooked.
What is breaking apart? That's weird. Yeah, it's not cooked. I can see it actually.
It's uncooked.
Wait, it's cooked. No, it's not. It's not cooked.
It
It's
is
cool though.
Squid. It is
Cool, dude.
uncooked.
It's cool though, Gabby.
That is the one guy.
Well, I see my life flashing from my eyes. But I cannot get this texture. It's not giving.
Texture, not good. How do you get the taste?
It's kind of tough.
Natural.
You want one?
I'm not gonna offer him.
The texture not giving what it needs to give.
I'm cut this one.
It should be like it. We get it in only, we get it in.
Alright, next round. No, but it's funny though. It's facts. What Jerry said is really funny.
This is it's tasting like some kind of. It's tasting like it's like a brown, like a profile, but it's not. What's that tasting like to you? It's not tequila either.
You can taste something here.
That is too much. Whatever that is. That, I don't know what that is. It takes me by surprise, you know.
This tastes like tequila.
I've drank
so-
a margarita before, but it was never that. I don't know what that is.
Let me try.
What is it?
Trying to figure it out. I don't know what it is.
It doesn't taste like butter.
It does not taste like vodka. Cindy, what kind of old brand vodka is that?
Tastes like rum.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. It tastes like rum.
Cheesy.
California.
Fried.
You can have a little tiny little thing on it.
That's fish egg.
Fish egg.
There's no one name for that.
You'll have a mommy for 72 hours. But remember, last time I was teaching, she was that big. Not check sister, they taller than me, you know. This is a big. Yeah. But you can thing, we making ramen. So let's find something on Pinterest. So that's what we try. Oh God, no, wait, I take off the fire. Why? Because I need water go.
That's the best shit. Steam for the boil.
Oh, low heat. Right. Low. Ooh. Kaya? Kaya, what do you think?
That is. I'm scared.
Put a little chunky bit more at least. Okay, alright, stop. Lord Jesus. You ain't want no ramen? I'm trying to make it spread.
I'll pile it with you.
No, can I say it's too hot for you? We could always add afterwards. What?
Then you have to put the cheese powder. You can put one.
Butter. And how much butter and how much milk?
I don't know, they're not being specific.
You didn't say? How all of that is it?
Yeah. Just put some powder.
You didn't use
Oh,
1 tablespoon of butter and a quarter cup of milk. Come, still. 1 tablespoon is it? 1 tablespoon of butter and a quarter cup of milk. You still in it? No, me even know there's a tablespoon ever. Cause me took my other settle. I think there's a tablespoon now. Oh, it's a bit much. I think so. And a quarter cup of milk.
then, big chicken. Then, the egg, the 3 onions.
Right. Add a cut of that. Come continue stirring. That ain't done yet because
I gotta get it dried out.
you put milk in it. Yeah, so
because it doesn't be aging in every episode, I find. Well,
Yeah, cause girl, you don't love me because this fella passed away.
Serious?
Yeah.
Which one? He?
Not he.
The fat one?
The next one, yeah. Cause this show,
He passed away?
yeah, this show come out
I know it come out long.
a good while ago. I don't think they have any new ones. King of Queens. It's King of Queens, right? Does it mention? Well, this is now we show from the people, Emancipation Village. All I would have seen a little clip of me walking in, and that would have been it. Because listen, the place was hot. Sis had little curls and she can't sing. The curls on them say later, babe, later. They drop. I ain't got a little picture before they drop. It'll be easy. But it was normal, you know, the usual things for Emancipation. The only thing I don't like the layout this year though, like I really didn't like the layout. You could get confused easily, and they need to color code them sign or something. Like put like, you know, aisle 1, this color is for this. Cause even though they have the names and stuff to the top, it's like, because they had the same thing on each side and it's like 2 or 3 separate sets of tents, it's like you could go through one and when it comes, it's like if you went through Twilight Zone, because like, did I go through this already or not? But other than that was normal. I buy some soaps from a lady. Let me show you. Yeah, I buy some soaps from a lady. I bought a pomegranate one. This is Dijan's Naturals, 100% all natural clay-based cold processed soap. So it have the pomegranate one. I got the charcoal one from goddaughter, and then I picked up the Dead Sea Mud and Sea Salt one. Very cutesy. And then she got a chain from Dragonfly Accessories and 2 rings from, can't remember many people, but it's some cutesy looking jewelry. It's very cutesy, very dainty. And I usually just buy soaps when I go village because they get cheaper and it's be nice thing ones. I was looking for my friend mommy, but like Auntie Pat wasn't there this year, so I must have missed she must didn't come out today, but yeah. So I am going to recurl this hair. Most likely I'll just use flexi rods and curl it up. Cause tomorrow, please Lord, we go in to watch Spider-Man. It's brand new dawn, brand new day, whatever. But yeah, tomorrow afternoon we're gonna watch Spider-Man, and then I'm dropping Sister Girl back home, and we'll reconvene with the usualness. So yeah, right now I'm gonna drink some water because I'm thirsty. Listen, that it was hot. So let me go and drink some water, and yeah. Hey babes, good morning, happy Sunday. I think I told you all yesterday that today we're looking to watch Spider-Man. On the way 2 o'clock showing, Bolama was like, it's better if we go for like 12 because of the amount of people. Very rude. Because of the amount of people that it will have, because apparently Friday and Saturday had like a set of people. And today is Sunday. So yeah. So what I'm going to do is 8:30 now. And now because I'm close to watch, but earlier, the sky is black. Rain is gonna come. Okay, so it's to organize stuff to maybe reach there 4:12. So like leave here like quarter to 12, and then reach the time to get your tickets, and then get some Popeyes or something, and just walk around a little bit, and then go watch the movie. Cause I think it's like 2 hours or 2.5 hours or something. So I'm not too sure the run time. So like I said 2, 3, 4, 5. That's like 5 o'clock for the latest. We gonna be leaving the cinema. So, and then after that, I drop her home. So, I need for sister pack up. She think I think, leave it in the car. So, when Lamar come back, it's just a head down. But yes, so that's what we're doing today. I think I told you yesterday too that I was going to curl my hair last night. That did not happen. I just put it in 2 plaits and chuck it on the bonnet. I may curl it today, or I may not, and just curl it tonight for work tomorrow. But, yeah, me really have no time to be styled and know what kind of thing. I put it on my head because I didn't want to do my hair that 2 weeks. So, most of the time, this might just be a curl clip. Like, easy squeezy. Roll it up and clip. So, let me go do that and I will come back to you all. Either when we leaving here to go movie song or when we reach movie song. So Sis has been dropped back home. We finished in the people movie song. All I didn't vlog inside it because listen, movie song had real people. And when we came out of that movie, it's like the crowd doubled. But it was a real good movie. Spider-Man is a good watch, I ain't gonna lie. Without giving anything away, yeah, it was a good watch. So yes, spend the money and go and see it if you want to see it in theaters. If you want to see it home, do that as well. But it was a nice watch. So I'm coming here to end off this weekend's vlog because I realized in the past few vlogs I have not been ending off nothing. All is just end up with a blank screen. So I want to say thanks so much for tuning in for this weekend's vlog. And I will see you guys next week. Please go on for another one.